Navaniva show.
I'm Navneet.
I'm Nivedita.
Today two of us are going to show you two easy science experiments. So the first one is the volcano of vinegar. So what we require for those, the vinegar experiment, a tray, a cup, some water, vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, and food coloring. And I also made this for putting on top of the cup so it can be looking like a volcano.
Yeah.
So the first thing we need is water.
You just need to add it inside.
Some water. We pour all.
I'll add I think it's the vinegar.
Yeah.
Can I add?
Yeah.
We're gonna add some water, then vinegar, then some dish soda.
I think that's okay.
Yep.
I think that's okay. Then
Wait,
we'll add some.
can I add a plate, honey?
Okay.
Add some dishwashing soap. Is it okay?
Just pour all of them.
Then we'll add what? I think it's baking soda. No, first then we'll add the food coloring. We'll add the food coloring. Then I'll add the baking soda. We have to stand up for the I'm coming. I'm gonna keep this as the side. So friends, are you done? Yeah, we could put.
Wait, I'm not
now.
done.
I'm gonna stand up because I'm scared, guys.
You shake it a little.
Well, I'm gonna put it in the center so I can see. Yeah.
Can I do it?
So we're gonna put the baking soda. I'm gonna stand up a little bit because I'm really scared.
So
we're gonna
just
put a little. It's so cool. Oh god, it's coming, it's coming.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, a lot of baking. So let's just add a little of vinegar. There's not vinegar.
A little of baking soda, then start forming up. I think that's okay with vinegar. I think that's okay.
Yep, we need some baking soda. Alright guys, it's coming up. Into the rescue. Right, I'm gonna move away. Gee, look guys, it's in a volcano.
It's like very nice.
Oh, and it's erupting. It's erupting. Everyone help.
It's red.
Oh my gosh, so look, it's like real volcano. Oh god, it's coming here. It's coming here. Let's add some more vinegar and baking soda.
Some more baking soda.
Oops.
That's okay.
Yeah. Oh god, it went into the lava. The mischief lava. Let's add some more.
Ooh. I think that's okay. I think that's okay, yeah.
Okay, look guys, we made homemade lava and volcano. Okay, it's getting very cool. That's some soda. Let me add some vinegar, a little vinegar.
Can you give me that? I'll push this baking soda inside.
Or
I don't think we need that. I'll add little baking soda to be more interesting.
okay, it's making a reaction inside. You can hear it from really close. It's really.
It's getting white also
it's
because
a
of baking
volcano.
soda.
Yeah, a volcano. You hear that? I just hear that now.
I think that's okay.
I just heard it right now. My gosh, guys, look. It's so beautiful.
So how this is happening is because when you add baking soda and vinegar, it gives a gas named carbon dioxide, and after that it becomes small bubbles and it start coming out.
Yeah, that's so cool, you know. See, guys. Let me try to touch it a little bit. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There's the red color we add.
So friends, we just finished the first science experiment.
So cool.
It was so amazing. The name of it was the volcano of the vinegar. So let's do the second science experiment. So what's the name of the second science experiment?
The name of the second science experiment's name is invisible text. So for how to make it, we'll need a paper.
A piece of paper.
Yeah. Then we'll need a chopstick, a lime, a candle, and a matchstick. So first for it, you'll take the lemon and chopstick and shook it
Inside the lemon.
Yeah, then we'll write
anything
the
you want. Can I try?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take the other side, I think. No better on this one.
First. Yeah, we're writing our secret text.
Yeah, friends, we have finished writing the text, so we'll leave it till it dries.
Yep. So we'll show you when it dries. Friends, now I've finished writing the text. As you can see, nothing. So Nani, as you can see, nothing.
No, I can't see anything.
So I want to show you.
Okay, I can't see anything.
I want to show you what I wrote, Nani. I have two of you. I want to show you what I wrote. So we'll need a candle. Nani, please, can you light it?
Yeah. That's okay there. And down. We left something.
Yeah. And I had done.
Okay.
I think we are done. So friends, as you can see, we wrote Navaniva show. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. So get ready for watch our next video. It will be more fun and interesting. Bye friends.